Destruction grows. Restoration comes into mood by your own in a days of gone. I'm trying to liberate yourself, but you call you fucking gone. And there is no cure more than you're fucking gone. Fight away from your mind. You try to hide the lie, I still can find and deny. You cannot live like this anymore, you know. Walk away from this lie. Oh, make up your mind. If you want, and if you're alive, a present option of freedom selection is the thing you selected wrong. Pressure of your mind, weakness in your life. Pressure of your mind. Lord is the Lord that you cannot take. Weakness. Lord is the Lord that you cannot take. Pressure of your mind. Lord is the Lord that you cannot take. Weakness. There's no turning back now.
What's it like out there?
Sentences are older than you have without fear. But there's something in the wind that is coming from near. You regret your mistake, but it's too late right now. That you close with the razor cup. Your speak is Lord. Your spirit is Lord. Shelter. This appears weakness and your fear.